Hi, welcome to Sciprex. In today's video, we will explore on AEM Developer. What role does AEM Developer play? An AEM Developer specializes in building and managing digital experiences using Adobe Experience Manager AEM, a powerful content management system. Their responsibilities include developing AEM components, templates, and workflows, integrating third-party services, and optimizing website performance. AEM developers work closely with designers, content authors, and backend teams to deliver scalable and personalized web solutions. Proficiency in Java, HTML, CSS, and AEM architecture is essential for ensuring high quality and efficient digital content delivery. Here are some professional and friendly question and answers for an interview. Q1. What is Adobe Experience Manager, AEM, and what are its key components? Answer. Adobe Experience Manager, AEM, is a comprehensive content management solution for building websites, mobile apps, and forms. It enables organizations to manage digital content across channels. The key components of AEM include Sites for website content management, Assets for digital asset management, DAM, Forms for managing and processing forms, Workflows for automating content processes, Commerce for e-commerce integration. These components work together to deliver personalized and scalable digital experiences. Q2. What is the difference between a template and a component in AEM? Answer. A template defines the structure of a page, specifying which components can be used and how the layout is organized. It acts as a blueprint for creating pages. A component, on the other hand, is a reusable module that provides specific functionality, such as displaying text, images, or carousels. Templates use components to build page content dynamically. Q3. What is the purpose of the Sling framework in AEM? Answer. Sling is a web application framework used by AEM that maps HTTP requests to content resources based on the request URL. It plays a key role in AEM's architecture by enabling RESTful access to the content repository and supporting the development of flexible, resource-based web applications. Sling enhances the modularity and scalability of AEM applications. Q4. How do you create a custom AEM component? Answer. To create a custom AEM component, create a component folder under /apps/project/components. Add a CQ::component node with relevant properties such as component group. Create the HTML or sitely.html file for rendering logic. Define dialogues using Coral UI or Granite UI for authoring content. Configure the component in templates to make it available for use. I follow best practices for naming, version control, and testing before deployment. Q5. What is the difference between author and publish instances in AEM? Answer. The author instance is used by content authors to create, edit, and manage content. It provides tools like page editors, asset managers, and workflow control. The publish instance is used to deliver finalized content to end users. The replication process pushes content from the author to the publish instance, ensuring content is properly staged before being made live. Q6. How do you manage client libraries, client libs in AEM? Answer. Client libs in AEM are used to manage front-end resources like CSS and JavaScript. They are defined using CQ: client library folder nodes and categorized using the categories property. I use proper dependencies, embed settings, and minification rules to optimize performance. Client libs can be included in components using the data sly call or client lib tags in HTL. Q7. Describe your experience with AEM integrations, e.g., third-party APIs or Adobe Analytics. Answer. I have integrated AEM with various third-party services, including REST APIs, CRM systems, and Adobe Analytics. For example, I used Apache HTTP clients for API calls, set up service users for secure access, and manage responses using Sling models. For Adobe Analytics, I configured cloud services and embedded tracking codes through client libs for event-based data capture. Q8. How do you ensure code quality and version control in AEM development? Answer. I follow best practices such as using Maven and the AEM project archetype for structured development, enforcing code reviews and static analysis tools, e.g. SonarQube, writing unit tests with Junit and Mockito, using Git for version control and Jenkins or Adobe Cloud Manager for CI/CD pipelines. These practices help maintain high code quality and ensure smooth deployments. And Q9. What is a Sling model and how is it used? Answer. A Sling model is a POJO, plain old Java object, annotated with Sling annotations to map data from JCR nodes or request objects. It simplifies access to resource properties and helps separate business logic from the view. Sling models are commonly used with HTL to provide dynamic data for components, improving code readability and maintainability. Hope you like and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching Sciprex. Keep learning and stay inspired.